In today's video, I'm going to teach you how Progressive auto insurance works, explained simply. Think of auto insurance as a safety net you pay for in small chunks, so you're not stuck with a big bill after an accident. With Progressive, you pay a premium, usually monthly or every 6 months. In return, they help cover certain costs if something happens to you, your car, or others, depending on the coverage you choose. Here's the basic flow. You buy a policy that outlines what's covered, your limits, your deductible, and your price. If you're in an accident or experience a covered loss, you file a claim. You'll pay your deductible, the amount you agreed to pay out of pocket, and Progressive pays the rest up to the limits you selected. Those limits matter. They cap how much the insurer will pay for a claim. Lower limits usually mean a lower premium, but less protection. When you buy a policy, you choose the coverage types that match your needs. Liability coverage pays others if you're at fault and is required in most places. Collision pays to repair or replace your car if it's damaged in a crash, regardless of fault. Comprehensive helps with non-crash events like theft, vandalism, fire, or hail. Uninsured and underinsured motorist coverage steps in if the other driver doesn't have enough insurance. Some policies also include medical-related coverage to help with treatment costs for you and your passengers after an accident. A quick tip. Pick a deductible you can comfortably afford because that's the amount you'll be responsible for when you file a claim. Progressive also offers tools and extras designed to make choosing coverage easier. One standout is the Name Your Price tool. You enter a budget and it shows options that fit it. This can be helpful for narrowing choices quickly. Just remember, meeting a price target can mean adjusting deductibles or lowering limits, so review what's included before you lock it in. Let's make deductibles crystal clear with a simple example. Imagine you have collision coverage with a $500 deductible and your car needs $2,000 in repairs after a covered crash. You pay the first $500, Progressive pays the remaining $1,500 up to your policy limit. If the repair bill were $450, you'd pay it all because it's below your deductible. That's why selecting the right deductible is so important. Higher deductibles typically lower your premium, but they increase what you pay if something happens. That's the essence of how Progressive auto insurance works. Choose your coverages, set your limits and deductible, pay your premium, and rely on the policy to step in when you need it. Take a moment to review your options carefully so the protection matches your budget and your comfort level.